Have you ever wished you had captured that moment on the road? A car cuts you off. You slam the brakes. And you think, if only I had that on camera. Well, this video is for moments like that. Today, we're reviewing some of the smartest and most reliable car cameras on the market. These devices don't just record, they protect you, speak for you, and watch over your car even when you're not around. Life can change in a second. A dash cam saves that second. If you drive, these cameras aren't a luxury anymore, they're a must-have. We've tested and selected the top performing models just for you, and you can find every product link in the description below. Some of them are even on sale right now, so feel free to click and grab the deal while it lasts. Let's dive in and see which ones are actually worth your money. Let me introduce you to one of the most advanced dash cams available today. A 4-channel, 360-degree dash cam that quite literally sees everything around your car. Equipped with a dual-core processor, this is the world's first dash cam. That records with 4 cameras at once. A 158-degree front camera. A 160-degree front cabin camera. A 160-degree rear cabin camera, and a 165-degree rear camera. What does that mean for you? It means complete 360-degree coverage. No blind spots, your car is protected from every angle. The max resolution is an impressive 2.7K, 1940p for the front and 1080p for the other 3 cameras, ensuring that every corner is captured in detail. What makes this camera stand out even more is its rear cabin camera, something most dash cams don't have. This one records your back seat, trunk area, and side windows, making it ideal if you have kids, pets, or valuable items in the back. It's also perfect for catching any break-ins or damage from the side of your car, something most dash cams miss. It features STARVIS 2 image technology and infrared night vision. Which means it can clearly record things like license plates and people's faces, even in complete darkness or tricky lighting conditions. Whether you're driving late at night or parked in a dark lot, this cam won't miss a thing. That's why it's a great choice for Uber, Lyft, taxi drivers, fleet operators, and families too. It also supports 5G Wi-Fi and GPS. With the Van True app, you can preview, download, and edit footage right from your phone. You can even track your exact route, speed, and location. Plus, it supports OTA over-the-air firmware updates, so you can easily keep the system up to date without plugging it into a computer. Now let's talk about parking protection. When paired with a hardwire kit, sold separately, the cam automatically switches to 24/7 buffered parking mode once the engine is off. If someone hits or even walks near your parked car, it records the event with all the critical seconds before and after. And thanks to low frame rate recording, it saves space while still catching every detail. Another cool feature, smart voice control. You can control the dash cam hands-free using simple voice commands like take photo or turn off screen. It understands multiple languages and helps reduce distraction while driving. Finally, it's built to last. With loop recording, it keeps overwriting old files, so it never stops recording. The G sensor locks important clips when there's an impact. And thanks to its supercapacitor power system and heat-resistant materials, this camera can withstand extreme temperatures, whether it's the summer heat in Southern California or freezing winters in New York. Let's talk about the Red Tiger F7 NP, a dash cam that's designed to capture every detail, even when you least expect it. First off, this is a dual dash cam. Meaning it records both front and rear. You get Ultra HD 4K in the front and Full HD 1080p in the back, so whether it's road signs or license plates, you'll be able to read it all clearly. It has a 170-degree wide-angle lens in the front and 140 degrees in the rear, which helps minimize blind spots, especially useful during unexpected moments like a sudden collision. Now, let's talk about night driving. The F7 NP features a large f1.5 aperture lens and 6 optical layers, plus HDRWDR technology. All of that means it performs impressively, even in low light, like dim streets or nighttime parking lots. What makes this dash cam even smarter is the Wi-Fi and app control. You can connect it to your phone using the Red Tiger app, view footage, download videos, even edit and share your clips all from your phone with just a few taps. It also includes built-in GPS, so it tracks your speed, location, and route in real time. You can replay your drive using Google Maps, through the app or their GPS player software for Windows or Mac. If something happens, this adds an extra layer of proof. When it comes to safety, it's got your back. The loop recording feature means it keeps recording. Even if your memory card is full, it just overwrites the oldest files. And if the G sensor detects a sudden impact, it instantly locks and saves that video so it won't be lost. Plus, it includes a 24-hour parking monitor with time-lapse mode, so your car is protected even when you're not around. Just note, you'll need a hardwire kit for that function. Finally, Red Tiger offers an 18-month warranty and full customer support. One heads up, it plugs into your car's cigarette lighter, but if your car doesn't have one, they also offer a USB-C power cable separately, ASIN B0D76CWMPF. Let me introduce you to the Zunfly W2, a truly impressive 4-channel 360-degree dash cam that covers every angle of your car front, rear, sides, and interior all at once. With 4 synchronized lenses, you get a crystal clear 2K resolution in front and 1080p on the other 3 cameras. The lenses have an ultra-wide 170-degree field of view, beating the typical 150-degree. So you won't miss license plates or details even at sharp angles. The 3-inch IPS screen lets you instantly check your recordings. Perfect if you need to monitor passengers or cargo inside your vehicle. What makes the Zunfly W2 stand out is its dual night vision modes. Front and rear cameras record in full color at night thanks to WDR technology, while the side cameras switch to smart infrared for clear black and white footage. The f1.8 aperture and 6-layer glass keep license plates readable even when facing bright headlights. Whether you're a truck driver, navigating dark roads, or a parent keeping an eye on your kids in the back seat, this camera never misses a thing. Storage won't be an issue. It comes with a pre-installed 64GB high-endurance memory card that supports expansion up to 128 gigabytes. Thanks to the Smart Loop recording, old files get overwritten automatically, but the G sensor locks any collision footage so it won't get erased. Even if your car loses power, the supercapacitor keeps saving evidence so nothing is lost. The camera also features fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi for quick video transfers and built-in GPS to tag your speed and location, invaluable for insurance claims or legal proof. Through the companion app, you can remotely adjust settings and share videos with just one tap. When it comes to parking, the Zunfly W2 transforms your car into a fortress. With its Parking Mode Pro, you get 2 smart options: time-lapse for continuous coverage or impact detection for power-saving triggered recording. Hardwire kit sold separately. Plus, it uses 70% less power than regular systems, meaning longer protection without draining your battery. All recorded evidence stays safe, no overwriting of important files. So your 360-degree dash cam keeps you covered 24/7. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All the cameras we reviewed are linked down below. Check out the discounts while they last. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm happy to help. Drive safe and stay protected. See you in the next video.